Hey everyone, RJ here with CV Tech, and this video here is going to be showing you how to screenshot on your ZTE Blade Max 2S. Let's get it started. Okay, so before I get started, I want to give another special shout out to ZTEZ community for sending me this phone here to be able to unbox it, do these tips and tricks, gaming tests, camera tests, reviews, all that kind of good stuff here. And I'll also leave the link down below in the description for more information on this device, where you can purchase some more information, all that kind of good stuff. So be sure to check out the description below. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Hit that like button, and of course, leave your comments down below. Now, I'll make this very easy and simple and quick. So this is the Blade Max 2S. Wonderful phone. Had this phone for a while, and I'm absolutely loving this device. But let's go ahead and do this whole how to screenshot video. Now, to a lot of people, this is a very simple process, but there are some that don't know how to do this. So I want to show y'all two ways that I know of right now how to screenshot. Now, first way I want to show you is you pull the drop down. You'll see all your stuff here. Scroll over here, and you will see a screenshot button. You just press it, and bam, there you go. Screen capture, and it's done. Now, another way to do this here is you'll see your volume up, volume down, and power button. Now, you want to hover your finger over the volume down and the power button. And at the exact same time, press them in, and there you go. Screen capture, and it saves it, and you're ready to go. So if you were on a site, you're somewhere, you're on something, and you want a screenshot, you can just reach up here and just wham, there you go. Screenshot, and you're done. So yeah, that's how to screenshot on your ZTE Blade Max 2S. Very simple, very, easy stuff. But I wanted to just share this along with y'all here as like a little tips and tricks on how to screenshot. So that's it. Pretty simple stuff there. Just follow the directions and you shouldn't have any problem whatsoever. So that is just my little short video here of how to screenshot on the new ZTE Blade Max 2S. So if this was helpful and informative, hit that like button. Any questions, leave it below. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit that bell for post notifications. I'd appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.